Hey everyone, it's Jared here at Heat Press Nation, and today I'll be showing you how to customize a car window sunshade with sublimation. Ride in style and stay out of the sun with these special sublimation sunshades. These window sunshades come in sets of 2 and are ready to be sublimated with photos, artwork, logos, and more. They can serve as fun promotional items to give away, as well as useful gifts for family and friends. While these sunshades are slightly larger than the print area of most desktop sublimation printers, they still look great with smaller graphics like a cropped photo or vivid logo, as you'll see in this demo. Working with a 16-inch by 20-inch or larger heat press will give the most ideal results, particularly if you intend on transferring large designs. Set the machine to 40 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. We'll start by taping the printed transfer onto the sunshade. Cover the lower platen with parchment paper and place an unfolded sunshade on top. Cover it with another sheet of parchment paper and press. When your timer reaches 0, open the press and allow the transfer to cool down for a few moments. Keep in mind that the edges of the sunshade have metal wire inside, which will be very hot after pressing. Once it's cool enough to handle, peel the transfer off and your first sunshade is done. By following the same steps for the second one, using the same or a new design, these customized sunshades are ready to cover your car windows in no time. Each sunshade will include 2 rubber suction cups, which attach to the edges for easy and quick window mounting. If you'd like to learn more about this and other sublimation blanks, visit us at heatpressnation.com. You can also give us a call at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thank you for watching.